Magandang araw mga ka-math thinkers. Nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode kung saan magsosolve po tayo ng panibagong product ng expressions natin. So in that case, for number 1 po, based on our previous discussions, all we need to do in this kind of our given is for us to distribute po yung ating term sa labas. Isa-isahin natin yan sa loob ng ating mga terms sa parentheses. So we have here, ang unang term natin sa parentheses is 7h cubed. So in that case, 15 times 7, kasi number to number tayo pag nagmumultiply, that is 15 times 7, we have 5, carry 3, 7, and that is 105. So we have here 105 as their coefficient. And as we all know, we have h here as our variable. Parehong h dito yung kasama din ng 7 natin is h, yung 15, h din po. So kakopy lang natin and i-add natin yung kanilang exponent. 2 plus 3, we have 5. Ang k naman, since walang kasamang variable siya na pareho, ididikit lang po natin siya sa ating product. Now, next naman po is yung second term natin. So, 15 times 5, that is 75. So, positive 75. And yung h squared naman, walang kapareho dito sa expression natin ng second term. So, in that case, ididikit lang po natin yung h squared. And yung k naman po yung may pareho, but as you notice, wala silang exponent na nakikita because ang exponent nila ay invisible 1. So, may 1 tayo dito sa k, may 1 din tayo dito sa loob ng parentheses natin. So, 1 plus 1, we have 2. And this will be our final answer for item number 1. For item number 2, gagawin natin po is same lang din, i-distribute natin pa isa-isa yung 7p sa lahat ng term sa loob ng ating parentheses. So as we notice, yung first term natin dito, may 7 din dito sa ating pinagmumultiplyan. So that is equal to 7 times 7, 49. Number to number yung pag-multiply natin. But in terms of variable naman po, kasi magkapareho po sila, ikakopy lang natin yung magkapareho, then yung exponent nila is i-add. So 2 plus 1 here na invisible, we have 3. And next po naman is yung second term. So 7 times negative 5, since the numbers have different sign, positive yung sa 7, negative naman po yung nasa 5. So 7 times negative 5, magiging negative yung kanilang product and as is po yung pag-multiply, and that is 35. And since pareho po yung kanilang variable which is p, invisible 1 po yung kanilang mga exponent, i-add lang po natin, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, for the last term or the third term here in our expression, 7p times negative 8, so number to number tayo, and at the same time, since opposite yung kanilang sign, magiging negative pa rin yung product ng ating expression. And here, 7 times 8 is 56. And since wala naman pong ibang variable other than p here, so ikakopy or ididikit lang po natin sila. So, ito yung magiging final answer natin for item number 2. For item number 3, same pa rin po yung process. Pwede nating i-distribute yan isa-isa. Ayan. So, loob ng parentheses pa rin. So, unahin muna natin yung 12q cube multiply sa 3q squared. In this case, number to number, 12 times 3, that is 36. And since q lang naman yung variable natin dito at magkapareho naman, so ikakopy si q, but their exponent will be added. Now, 3 plus 2 is 5. For the next one, ang 12q cube naman natin, multiply na naman natin sa second term. So, we have here 12 times 7. We have 14, carry 1, 7, 84. So, in that case, we have 84, ang 12 times 7 natin. So, positive 84. And then, pareho silang may q. So, in that case, q raised to the power of 4. Kasi invisible 1 yung exponent niya dito. Inad lang po natin sa 3 na exponent ng ating pinagmumultiplyan. Now, for the last one, we have 12 times -15. Alam natin na magkaiba yung kanilang sign, so automatically negative yung kanilang magiging sign dito sa product. But as is po yung pagmumultiply natin. So 15 times 12, we have 10 carry 1, 2, 3. So 5, 1, we have 180 as the product. So 180 here. Ayan. Then, walang variable yung -15 natin. So ikakopy lang natin si cube natin na ididikit po sa ating final answer. So that will be our solution po in the given items. I want you to like, comment as well if you have any suggestion or any topic that you wanted to be discussed. Huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment lang po dyan. I-cater ko po. And don't forget din po na i-visit yung ibang mga videos natin. So see you next upload and have a nice day. Bye-bye!